Welcome to the Seeker's Mat. Let's prepare your body and mind for a restful sleep. Lie down comfortably in your bed. Let your arms rest gently by your sides, your palms facing up. Let your legs fall open naturally. Now softly close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. You have arrived. There is nothing to do and nowhere to be. Just rest. Let's begin by focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm. With every exhale, feel your body soften, melt, and release. Feel your shoulders sinking. Feel your jaw unclenching. Let your eyelids grow heavier and heavier. Now bring your attention to your toes. Gently squeeze them and then release. Feel the tension melt away. And now your feet, your ankles, let them soften, grow heavy, and sink into the mattress. Move your awareness up to your calves, knees, thighs. Let gravity do its work. Let your legs completely relax. Now, your hips, your lower back, your belly. With each exhale, release more tension. Let everything soften and become still. Bring your awareness to your chest and heart space. Feel the gentle rise and fall. Let go of any tightness or effort. And now, your hands, your arms, and then your shoulders. Relax them completely. Let them rest like leaves on the earth. And now go to your face. Unclench your jaw. Soften your forehead. Let your tongue rest gently in your mouth. Feel your entire face relax as if someone is smoothing it with warm light. Now, I want you to imagine yourself lying beneath the stars. A gentle night breeze brushes against your skin. Above you, the sky is clear, vast, peaceful, and calm. In the distance, you hear the soft ripple of water, like a lullaby for your soul. You feel completely safe, supported, and at ease. With each breath, you sink deeper into softness, into stillness, into the peaceful rhythm of the night. There is nothing more you need to do. You don't even have to follow my words now. Let sleep take you gently, like a wave returning to the shore, again and again and again. Let your breath grow softer. Let your thoughts fade. Let yourself float. Good night. You are safe. You are at peace. Sleep well. Thank you for joining this sleep meditation on the Seeker's Mat. If you're still awake, feel free to stay here and drift deeper. See you again in my next video.